Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Long John.
I am Thenjiwe.
And you are
the
GNT Gang!
Thank you so much guys for tuning in to our channel.
Yes.
And thank you for the love that you guys have been showing us.
We appreciate everything, the comments, we love them.
We always try to reply to each and every comment. And as you have seen from the title, this is not a clickbait.
Yes.
This video is actually about how he paid Lobola.
That's a tough topic.
For those of you who might not know what Lobola is bride price. In our culture, and especially in Southern Africa, it's very, very important that bride price is paid.
So
that's what makes you a woman. You could be married for 105 years. If Lobola was not paid, you are still regarded as single.
So
you can have your ring and your marriage certificates. But Lobola! Ha!
Yes, which means that if you're a man, you have to buy a ring and Lobola on top of that.
We do it twice. Because for us it's both important. White wedding and African wedding.
Hey.
Yeah.
It's tough.
So...
Hey, so...
As you guys know, we've been engaged for a while. And then one day I was like, yes, I'm engaged, but you can't call me your fiance, you can't call me your wife, because I can't even tell my parents that I'm engaged to you until you do the right thing, which was?
Pay the Lobola. So I had to make a plan. I made a plan to pay that Lobola.
Yeah.
It was not easy. I worked all the hours. I wasn't sleeping.
That's how you show me love.
Yeah, you know, chakalaka.
Yeah, you know, money has always been very important in our culture.
It's very important.
So, because of now, usually, traditionally, Lobola is 12 cows, but they reduce cows based on the number of children that you've had. And because I already have 7 children from my previous relationships, John only had to pay 5 or 4.
Exactly.
Yeah. So what happened is he wrote a letter to my family, and when they received the letter, they gave him a date to come and bring the Lobola.
I carried that Lobola. Hey, that money. Hey, it was a lot of money.
And obviously there's going to be negotiations, and his people try to negotiate, but when they got to like 13,000, my uncle was 10,000, and that's the last price.
It was tough. That negotiation was so intense.
And then he was like, okay, he's gonna pay that 10,000 over installments. And then my father and my uncle were like, no, our daughter is not for labor. You must go and buy your wife from Edgar's if you want to pay labor.
That uncle, hey.
And then, fortunately, because his family, they loved me so much, then his uncle decided he was going to pay in dollars.
You guys.
So he said, you know what, forget the rands. I'll pay you 10,000 rands in dollars. So he paid them 10,000 in dollars. Like he was buying...
That's how we roll.
It was like he's just buying a pair of shoes from China City. Cash.
Making it rain on them.
Yeah, so I was very, very lucky. Now my family, they respect me, they love me, and he even said he's taking me and all my children.
And everyone, because that money is a lot. I have to take all of them.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's just been good. I want to say God is good. I pray for you guys to find someone that's going to love you the way that Long John loves me. And I hope that you guys, when you do find your Long John, is just as long as my Long John.
Thenjiwe, where are my shoes?
Before I go up, please subscribe to our channel, okay? And last but not least, that money, I hope they don't find out it was $0 or they will now have to pay again. Bye-bye.